Welcome. Let's begin today's meditation by finding a peaceful moment just for you. This is your time to unwind, let go, and find calm. Find a comfortable position where you can sit or lie down. Keep your back tall and straight, but relaxed. Let your arms rest gently by your sides or on your lap. When you're ready, softly close your eyes. Bring your full attention to this moment, letting your mind and body become still. Approach this practice with openness, patience, and curiosity. Turn your focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release it fully through your mouth. Follow your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Take one more deep breath in and let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. Don't force it or try to control it. Just let it flow easily like a gentle stream. Now, let's scan through your body, moving from one area to the next, releasing tension as we go. Start by bringing your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensation in your scalp, maybe a tingling, warmth, or softness. You might feel something strong, or perhaps not much at all. That's okay. Now, lower your focus on your forehead, face, and jaw. Let the muscles here soften and relax. On your next exhale, feel any tightness melt away. Move your attention to your neck, the throat, sides, and back. Let this area soften. Notice any sensation on the surface of your skin or deeper within. Bring your awareness to your shoulders. Are they holding any tension or strain? Breathe into your shoulders, and if they feel tight, let them relax. Extend your focus down your arms, towards your wrists, palms, and fingers. On your next exhale, let them soften and rest. Now, come to your chest. Observe the gentle rise and fall of each breath. Notice how your lungs expand and contract. Shift your attention to your upper and lower back. This area often holds stress. Maybe you feel warmth, tension, or discomfort. Simply observe what's there. With each breath, let it soften just a little more. Move your focus to your abdomen. Feel it expand as you breathe in, filling with air, and soften as you exhale. Bring your attention to your pelvis. Notice where your body connects with the ground, chair, or cushion. Breathe into this area, relaxing into stillness. Now, scan your legs. Feel your thighs, noticing where they rest against your seat. Lower your focus to your knees, shins, and calves. Let your legs soften, releasing any tension. Finally, breathe into your ankles, feet, and toes. Let them relax completely, sinking into a calm, grounded state. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing softly at the center of your chest. With each breath, this light grows, spreading warmth and calm through your entire body. It moves from your chest to your arms. Down your legs and up to the crown of your head. This light is your inner peace, always there to comfort you. Rest in its glow for a moment. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Your body may feel more relaxed, your mind clearer. This calmness is a gift you can carry with you, especially during stressful times. When stress builds, it can cloud your thoughts and make decisions harder. Moments like this, pausing to breathe and relax, help you find clarity and balance. You can return to this practice whenever you need a reset. Bring your attention back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your body wake up gently. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and calm. Carry this sense of peace with you as you continue your day. Thanks for tuning in to the greatest stories never told. I really hope your day will be fantastic, amazing, and full of opportunities, and your resting and calmness will bring such a clarity and good in your day. Thank you.